In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bidding strategy on running Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account and make sure you've entered the correct account before moving forward. This is especially important if you manage multiple accounts or campaigns because you want to be certain you're editing the right one. After signing in, give the Google Ads dashboard a moment to fully load so all menus and campaign data appear correctly. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Campaigns. This will take you to the list of campaigns in the account. Next, select the active campaign you want to modify. Be sure you're choosing the campaign that is currently running and that actually needs the bidding update. Once you've opened the campaign, go into the Campaign Settings section. Inside Settings, locate the Bidding section. Click on Bidding to view the campaign's current bid strategy. This is where you can confirm what strategy is currently in use before making any changes. Then click Change Bid Strategy to begin updating it. After that, open the Strategy drop-down menu. You'll see the available bidding strategies that Google Ads allows for that campaign type. Take a moment to review the options carefully and choose the one that best matches your campaign objective. For example, some strategies are better for maximizing clicks, while others are more focused on conversions, conversion value, or target efficiency. If Google provides a recommended option, review that as well. It can be useful as a reference, but you should still make sure it aligns with your actual advertising goals. Once you've selected the strategy, configure any additional settings required. Depending on the option you choose, you may need to set targets or limits. Review all of the new bidding strategy settings carefully before saving. This step matters because even a small setting change can affect performance and spending. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Then wait a few moments while Google Ads updates the campaign settings. After the update is complete, verify that the new bidding strategy appears in the campaign's bidding section. This confirms that the change was successfully applied. Over the next several days, monitor your campaign metrics closely to evaluate how the new strategy is performing. Pay attention to results in relation to your campaign goals, and if needed, adjust the strategy again based on performance. Thanks for watching.